Morning, it's Rich from Motorcycle Garage. Just been changing the spark plugs on the Ducati 999S. Front one, very easy. It's literally just there, facing you, so you can take out the coil, which is a stick coil, of course, and then replace it. Now, with the vertical or back cylinder, you just got to lift the seat, so 3 or 4 nuts to undo, lift it up, support it, and there's enough room without taking the tank off to remove the stick coil. Now the other good thing is that these ones have a separate connector here, which is around here, just to show, because they vary. These ones have the separate, just to show you the separate, yeah, there it is. It's got the separate pull-out connector, 3-prong. Makes it a lot easier, because some of the joined are fixed into the loom. I don't know quite much, and I think they've got the fixture or the fitting the other end, but these ones on the S, it seems, aren't, which is ideal. But looking at the condition inside here, you can see the stick coil hasn't been out for a while, has it? I've got to clean all that up, so I just started cleaning all that rubbish off. And just show you. Right, this is the one. This is the front one I took out. All right, there's the front one I took out, which is pretty rich, pretty coked up. A lot of carbon on there. The distance, which is 0.8, sorry, millimetre, was reduced massively because I checked it, and you see how much carbon there is in there. So I don't know how long these have been in here. They are these are NGKs as well, actually. So I've got NGK replacements. They recommend Champion, all sorts, but I think these NGKs will work fine. So that just needs altering a bit. I just checked with the feeler gauge. 0.75 and 0.05 to make. But I can't do it without. I'll check the gap, but it is a bit too tight for that, so I'll open that up a fraction just to put 0.8 on it. And just while I'm telling you, I've just got to get that spark plug out, which is fine, because I use this here. A little bit of flexibility on it, which is good. It goes, sits down there nicely. I'm going to see if I can actually get it in there. I haven't even tried yet. It should be, sorry, let's try and get it in there. Oh, there we go, she's in. Oh, she's right in. A long way down. So I'll need the extension to put on top of that. Yeah, I can't, it's very difficult to do it with one hand, but I'll try. There we go. So we're all set now. And I've got that on. I have that on. No, this is the 3/8 or whatever it is. Size. So I think I can manage to undo this without having to take the tank off. Yep. So there we go. Just to show you can do it without taking the tank right off, which is not a problem. It all comes off. It all lifts off. But you need to undo the petrol pipes. There's one each side. There's the fitting. So I'll just crack on now. It's good to catch up. And I'll be popping the new NGK in. And it's a CR9EB. CR9EB? CR9EB and UK for the 909S. Yeah, so good to catch up, and I'll keep you posted.